Want to visit your site virtually? 360-degree site walkthrough is a key. We will bring the construction site to your mobile or laptop. Let's see how it works. Quick survey. We conduct a quick survey to understand the key areas which have to be scanned and other information to get the POC ready. You can also see sample data to get a better understanding. Capture the data. Our team visits the site to scan and capture the real-world condition of the site, both the exterior and the interior structure, which will also include concealed mechanical, electrical, plumbing and fire protection installations. Process the data. Once we capture the data, we process and add the points of interest so that it will be easy for navigation and clean the data for better quality. Timeline. A construction site up to 50,000 square feet takes approximately 1 day for scanning and processing the data. The next day, the link to your virtual construction site will be in your email box. Benefits of 360-degree site walkthrough. A software or browser-based solution can be provided with which the user can walk through the site in a click. The data can be shared with multiple users no matter where they are located. This tool allows for measurements, area calculation, site data documentation in the form of photos, videos, etc. This is just a start to your construction project digitalization. Our commitment is that it will not cost more than any of your senior executives or owners visiting the sites. For more information, stay tuned with Desapex and visit our website.